Hello guys. So we opened few positions on B300. Okay, we're running good profit as you can see, and I just moved my SL above my entry. Yeah, I just moved SL above my entry. You can see that, right? So our target is here. Our overall target is up to this point where we have this red line up here. This red line up here, right? So this is the reason for my entry. The reason for my entry is this rejection down here. I'll show you guys everything you need to know about how to catch spikes and how to trade the boom and the crash markets, right? So first of all, if you're new on this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, smash that subscribe button. And also, even if you've been on this channel before, please try and comment and react, like this video, right, for more people to watch and benefit from this, right? This is given out for free, completely free. This is very important stuff you need to know. It's a secret, right? It's a secret, so you need to I need your appreciation, right? I really need your appreciation, right? So, and also share this video with friends, share with friends, take them to share to some platforms that you are, take to some platforms, share the link, let everybody come to this YouTube channel, watch and learn. Okay, there's so much to learn. There's so much to learn when it comes to trading, right? So I'm about to share this top secret with you guys, especially for those that are new. Even if you're an advanced trader, you should know this. It's very important, right? These are ways to make money. This is one of the ways to make money, right, in this market, right? So first of all, this strategy is price action. I use price action strategy. A lot of people are afraid of price action strategy, but the truth is it's the best. It's just the only way you can be profitable, completely be profitable as a trader. If you are afraid of price action, then you should stop trading, because you can never make money. You can only make money today and you blow tomorrow with just indicator. But if you make use of price action, if you combine it with indicator, you are 100% good. Trust me, you can never go broke ever again, right? So I use price action completely, pure price action, to determine the entry of this market, right? The entry of this trade. Okay, so you can see B300, we are in good profits, right? We're in good profits. Our entry right here, as you can see right there. Okay, while our SL was below this low, this level here. Now we just move the SL to this point, right? And I TP up to this level, right? And our VIP they are enjoying already as we speak. They are making good profit. They are in good profit, right? So now my reason for this entries would be, first of all, let me bring this. I think I should remove this completely. Okay, so you see, this is an uptrend. First of all, you need to understand the market trend. All right, you need to understand the market trend. This is an uptrend. This is a top secret for you guys. Market drops to this point. This is a downtrend. Push up, lower low, lower high. All right, which is a correction, and lower low, which is an impulsive move to the downside, and lower high here, which is a correction again, and lower low. Right, this is an impulsive move to the downside. The market push away and broke the previous lower high, right? And created an impulsive wave, right? So, which means that we are no longer in a downtrend, there's a change in trend. Okay, a lot of people will not tell you this, so this is a top secret, right? Market drops back to this point again, which is to create a higher low, it's going up again to create a higher high, right? Remember, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high. So market drops back again to create a higher low, now about to create higher high. So we are in this trend. It's definitely going to break this point and keep going up. If you check on the daily, this is where we are going, all the way to this point, So if you are blessed enough to hold this position, we're going to win so much. We're going to win. Trust me, we are not losing. We're going to win. Now look at this. If I zoom out completely, market is moving in this direction, right? The same thing here. markets created a lower low here and created a higher high, which is higher than the previous high. Higher high drops back again and created a higher low, about to create a higher high on the daily, which is gonna be up to this point. It's gonna be up to this point or this other point here, where we have this zone, right? Market is likely gonna push up to this point. Do you understand, on the daily? So now you can see this daily now aligned with the 1 hour charts and even the 4 hours charts. So the daily has aligned with the 1 hour charts. Now we are in a sorry, on the with the 4 hours chart. Okay, so now on the 1 hour chart, look at that. So we had a break of this level, we had a break of this structure, we had a break of this structure, right? Lower low, lower low, lower high. There was a structure here, right? Market drops back to this level and went above this previous level. So now we are waiting for market to come back. This is a key zone on our chart, right? If you are my students, you should know all this. This is a key zone on our chart. So market went above that zone. Now we waited for market to drop back to this zone. Now remember, this zone is our demand level. This is our demand level, guys. There are a lot to know. There's so much to learn, but it's easy. It's as easy as what I'm explaining now, right? Back to this point, this is our support right here, right? This is our support and this is a demand zone. You can see the pressure right here. So we waited for market to drop back to this point and market dropped and gave us this opportunity. Then after the opportunity, what happened? There was some rejection, which shows that we have so much pressure, bullish pressure around this level. You can see what happened here before, and the same thing is happening around this level now. So this tells us the battle between the buyers and the sellers. So we have a lot of buyers in this area. That's why you can see the rejection. Why sellers are trying to drag the market down, whereas he's closing with rejection. That shows that before the market closes, buyers stepped in and push the market up to their own direction. So that's why the market candlestick closed like this, and this is a support. You can see market reversed here before. Market reversed here, so this is a zone. So I waited for market to reverse and close bullish. So before I could open, there was a spike, right? There was a spike, and that's why our entry is right here. So you can see that, right? We are running good profits. So this level could be a bit difficult for market to break because you can see there's a zone right there. There's a zone right there. So after that, once this level is broken, which I'm certain it's gonna be broken, right? Once this level is broken, this is our first TP around this zone, and this level is gonna be broken as well, and we keep climbing, right? We keep climbing. So that is how the market moves. That is how the market moves. So as it's going up right now, it will start creating these waves again. Like you can see higher high, higher low. We kind of do something like this again, higher high. Okay, then we expect a higher low. Then we expect a higher high. That's the movement, right? That's the movement, as simple as that, right? So that's how you follow up the market and you make money. The main thing is knowing when you're gonna have that swing level, when market's gonna reverse again. So guys, I cannot explain everything here. All right, I cannot explain everything here, but this is literally how the market moves and how we find trading opportunities, right? We find trading opportunities, right? So yeah, that'll be all for now, guys. Please, 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 I will advise you guys, don't go to my Telegram. Don't go to Telegram channel. Telegram app to go and search for Etiforex. You could so that you won't be scammed. Please, please, please. My Telegram channel is not Etiforex. It's Major Training Academy. So the best thing for you to do is check the description of this video. You see my link. You chat me up, or you join my free Telegram channel for more updates and signals. Right? Okay. Don't go and type Etiforex. You might not see me, right? And also, please make sure that before you invest your money, you learn price action. You learn the price action. You know how the market moves, right? Learn price action before you invest your money. Don't go and invest money blindly without knowing how the market works, right? Without knowing how the market works. It's just like every other business. You need to learn. You need to survey, research, know how this business works before investing your money. Don't play with your money, guys. So everything changed around, turned around for me when I started learning, right? I started learning, know how the market moves. That's how everything changed, right? So I'm advising you guys now to please, 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 please learn price action. You must not learn price action from me. You can learn it from any other person, but make sure that you learn price action. These indicators we are giving out now, they work, right? They're working, but indicator might not give you 100%. Indicator might not see what I can see now, right? Indicator might see something else because it has been programmed that way. Once market gets to a certain level, it should indicate that it's going to buy or it's going to sell. But you as human, you see the market's reaction, the price action, you know what's going to happen, you make your decision. So that's why you need to learn price action. So it's the best way to survive in this business. All right, so yeah, learn price action, and don't forget to join our academy. Learn how to make money like this. Join our academy and join the VIP signal platform. Let's make money together, guys. Please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, drop good comments, share this video with your friends, and join the free Telegram channel. That'll be all for now. Bye bye. Let's see the last spike. It's gonna 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 spike. Do you want to wait and see the last spike? I don't think so.